Good morning, everyone. My name is Tairu Wada, and you are welcome to Learning and Earning series with Tairu Boost IQ. Subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Welcome to Learning and Earning series with Tairu Boost IQ, series 4 on the topic quadratic equation. And today we are going to look at how to solve quadratic equation using formula method. And when to use formula method to solve quadratic equation, and the equation to solve is solve 2x squared minus 4x minus 3 equals to 0 using formula method. When to use formula method to solve quadratic equation? Some quadratic equation cannot be factorized, so one of the methods used in solving such type of equation is called the formula method. Consider the quadratic equation below. We have 2x squared minus 4x minus 3 is equals to 0. By using discriminant quadratic expression, b squared minus 4ac to test whether it can be factorized. From the equation, our a is 2, and our b is what? Minus 4, and our c is minus 3. When we plug in into the discriminant quadratic expression bs squared minus 4ac, since our b is minus 4, we now have minus 4 squared will give us what? 16 minus 4 times 4. Then 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 times minus 3 will give us what? 24. Then minus times minus will be plus. Then 16 plus 24 is equals to 40. And 40 is not a perfect square, so it cannot be factorized. Therefore, we are going to use formula method in this case. Then solve 2s minus 4ac minus 4s minus 3 equals to 0 using formula method. Solution. Recall that the formula for quadratic equation is what? S is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Where this b is what? Minus 4, and our a is 2, and our c is minus 3. Now, when you look at this 2a, the coefficient of s squared is our a, which is 2. The coefficient of s is minus 4, which is b, and c is the constant value. So when we plug it into the formula, remember that this b is carrying its own minus, and b is also having minus. So we are going to put the minus outside, which is the original minus, then plus or minus square root of 4a squared. My square root of what? Minus 4 squared. Because our b is minus 4, we now times 4 times a is 2, times c is minus what? 3. Then our a down is 2, we now say what? 2 times 2. Then minus times minus will give us what? Plus. That is why we have here is equals to 4. Then minus 4 squared will give us what? 16. Then 4 times 2 times 3 will give us what? 24. Then when we add 16 plus 24 will give us 40. Then 2 times 2 will give us 4. Now when we find the square root of 40, we have what? 6.3246. Then we can have our s to be equals to 4 plus 6.3242 over 4. Since we are having minus or plus, we split it into 2. Either our s equals to 4 plus 6.3246 over 4, or s is equals to 4 minus 6.3246 over 4. Now when we add all this together, we are going to have 10.3.3246. And when we divide, we are going to have 2.58 and what? And 3. Or when we minus 4 minus 6.325, we are going to have what? Minus 2.3246 over 4. And when we divide, we are going to have what? 0.5812. And this is how to solve quadratic equation using what? Factorization method. Subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this.